So there's two ways to reset the main light on this. The first one is turn on the power 2 times, so it can show the display. So pushing the audio button, push it into say trip A. Now turn off the power, and now just hold down the audio button and push the power 2 times. And keep holding it until you see it blink finish. And the other way is you can just start up the car and do this. So once the car started up, you use these to reset the main light. So right now you just push the example, you push back and go to this screen right there, and you can push left or right or whatever into you go to setting, push down, into say schedule maintenance and push enter, and push up for yes, and that's how you finish it. And if you want to go back to the old screen, just push back, then push to the left, or the right, whatever you want to be at, and that's it.